Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me. For today, we are going to be working on your particular workshop pertaining to networking for professionals. If you don't want to be online, you can have a team of people that can definitely market your creative endeavor or your business online. It's important, guys. It's very important. It can be very overwhelming, but you may be missing so much money or so many opportunities if you don't have at least a 60% online presence. Don't stress yourself about not having a large network. Make the most with the people that you know, with the connection. A lot of the times, we are sleeping on people that we know. These people have wealth of knowledge. These people know so much, but we never engage with them. We never approach them. We never invite them out. We never get to know them. So we are not privy that that same person that you talk to almost every single day is a wealth of knowledge. And if you knew how to network properly, even without those small people that you're thinking cannot do for you, you would be actually very surprised at seeing how far they can take you.